Hi, I am going to show you how easy the lace work is on the Penny and Oscar Ripple blanket. First of all, the yarn, the Kremke Merry Merino, is just beautiful. It is a luxury premium merino, very soft, very silky, great stitch definition as you can see, and just so beautiful to knit. I have just done my border stitches and I am ready to, oops, I've lost my marker. I am ready to start my lace. So the first part of the lace is knitting 2 together 3 times. So that's 1, 2, 3, and then we are doing a yarn over, knit 1 6 times. Yarn over, knit 1. So yarn over, bringing the yarn around to the front, knit 1, so that's twice, yarn over, knit 1 3 times, yarn over, knit 1 4 times, 5, 6, and then another 3, knit 2 together. 1, 2, and that is a full lace repeat. So I'm going to repeat that across the row, so that it's just from there to there is 1 lace repeat. That is as difficult as it gets in the whole pattern. The rest of the stitches, other than this 1 lacework row, are either purl rows or knit rows. And then we end up, when we're changing colour obviously, we end up with this gorgeous feather fan pattern. So I will continue on and finish that. I've done it in the bright pink just to show you what I'm doing more clearly. So I will just finish that row, do the next row, which is just a simple knit row, and then I repeat that again. Okay, so I've finished my lace row and now I'm on the wrong side, and all I am doing is knitting every stitch and knitting the yarn overs there as a stitch. And that is it. That's basically as difficult as the whole pattern gets. I hope you enjoy it as much as I have.